company has a problem with power bill, has a problem with ice build-up, has a problem with vision going in and out of the freezer because it flaps, so on and so forth, this is your answer.
We used to have a big roller door, and every time I used to jump off and have to open and close it, it used to have a lot of ice build up on the ground. It was quite dangerous. It was using quite a lot of power. The bill was quite expensive. We came along to these guys and asked them about the roller doors. My boss went to one of the conventions, I think it was, and he showed how it worked, and he was pretty convinced. So he wanted it to get installed, and ever since it's been used, I have had no problems with it whatsoever. It is absolutely positive in every way. The ice build-up has diminished by 90%. We're even able to take the flaps down. It's an absolutely awesome product. The service was excellent. They came on a day that I had a very busy day, and instead of them just getting in to do their job, they stepped out of the way. They made sure that I had first priority. Every time I asked for them to hop out of the way so I could do my job, they did it without a complaint. And within 2 days, I do believe, they had installed it, and it was spot on. It was perfect. This is 110% better than what we could have. I suggest any company put this in because it saves a lot of money. The power bill was just amazing afterwards. My boss was telling me about it. It's great. You have a countdown system. I do believe that you can time it for yourself, but we have it on 8 seconds because that's more than ample. You go up, it starts counting down from 8 seconds. Every time you cross one of these sensors here or here, it cuts off and it restarts again. If you're constantly there, it will just stay open. And what this is that it's releasing warm air, constantly coming down here so that the rails never freeze up, so that your roller door can always open and close. It is absolutely wonderful. When we had this door here and the condensation was built up, it was very hard to open the door. Even though we had heating wires in the door, it still wasn't enough to break the ice, so you'd have to literally break it before you opened it. Now that they have these in play, perfect.
It's a little bit hard for a person.
Yep. There it goes. Look at that, look at that, look at my boss's face. That was quite hard to hit out, wasn't it? Wow. That is amazing. That is amazing, actually. Every time that we opened up the door, the heat would rise up and it would hit the fans, and then the condensation would melt it and it would hit the ground, and you would have thick ice right along here, and all the curtains would end up freezing as well. Now that we've got rid of the rail, this is slowly wearing off. Now you've got to keep in mind that we've only had this door in for a little bit, so the wear and tear of this ice here is slowly diminishing, which is absolutely awesome. I used to have to come in here and literally smash the ice off the ground with a hammer for safety reasons. Now I don't have to, and it's very cold. Let's go back out.